we have to file a defamatory statement. This thing, we'll have to file a defamatory this thing on her, on Smriti Irani, and now we are thinking of even filing a defamatory statement on this Kunda Chodankar and Vaidevi Naik of Goa.
Defamatory statement or complaint?
It is a complaint because they have made a defamatory statement. Okay. Because as Savitri Kaulekar has just said that she was a candidate last elections, where she has not done this give and take. It is an insult to her also. And I fail to know, I want to ask Smriti Irani, she is also the MP and minister, whether she has gone through this, or it gives us a doubt, you know, that whether she is talking on her experience, whether she has that she is forgetting she is an actor, she is forgetting that she is an actor. ती एक acting करताली, म्हाका दिसता ती अजून actinगाचूच तितून आसा. She is only in a real life, she is not in a real life. Acting सोंपता, पूण असले पॉलिटिक्सान म्हणटा ते acting चलना. तिने म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी रिझग्नेशन दिवचें आनी परतून सास भोव करपाक ते तुलसी जावन एकता कपुरा कडेन वचचें. ते आमचें मागणें.
She should have her own mind. She is a responsible minister and she should have her own mind. She should not tarnish all the women with the same brush.